Over the past few years, I've invested in a number of layer 1 cryptos from Cardano, Solana, Ethereum, Cadena, and many more that have made us a significant profit if you got in at the right time. And recently, I just invested in a brand new project. It's not brand new, but it's brand new to me, and it's called Radix. Radix ultimately is the only decentralized network where developers will be able to build quickly without the constant threat of exploits, hacks, and it has unlimited scalability. This project is already listed on a number of top exchanges from KuCoin to Bitfinex to Gate.io, MEXC, CoinEx, and many more. And the symbol is XRD. Currently, the price is sitting at just around 5 cents per coin. You can see the chart over the past few months. It's up a little bit over the last few months. You can see this project has been out for a while, but recently this project came on my radar because of a few major announcements that are coming up. The most important announcement is that I saw on their Twitter that they have the final update to the Olympia public network has officially been released, and ultimately what this means is that they are going to be enacting an irreversible countdown to Babylon, which is a major upgrade for the network that they have been talking about and been working on for months. This Babylon network upgrade is taking place on September 27th, 2023, and as a result of this, there's going to be dozens of projects launching on the Radix blockchain. We've seen that over 50 projects already have talked about and have started building and have plans of rolling out their projects on the Radix blockchain when this upgrade goes live. And as a result of this, I'm expecting major price movements to coincide with all of these major updates. So the project, like I said, has a major upgrade taking place on September 27th. This isn't a small project by any means. It does have a market cap of right around $550 to $600 million. It's ranked in the top 250 in terms of crypto projects, but I believe with this upgrade and with the major projects that are going to be launching in the coming months, I expect this project to go from around a 200 and 250 project by market cap to well within the top 100. So a few things that stand out about Radix and its blockchain. So Radix is built to create a Web3 future for everyone, not just innovators here today. And they've been researching and spending about a decade building out this blockchain. And there's 4 main things I want to talk about. So something called full stack, which is what they refer to. I'll go over what that means. User experience, developer experience, and scalability. When you're looking at the project, it's made up of a few things like the Radix wallet, Scrypto and Radix engine, and a consensus algorithm called Cerberus. So the Radix wallet, ultimately, this is one of the main cornerstones of the Radix blockchain, and ultimately it is going to help with the process of approving a DeFi transaction, because this is something that is very difficult in the crypto space. You have to connect multiple wallets. It's hard to have all your crypto from multiple blockchains in one place, but this is just a very simple and easy to use wallet that allows you to click approve or sign, and it'll make it very, very simple to go about it. You don't need custodians, you don't need seed phrases. It's going to be very simple to go about actually using it, and that's something that is very, very important. Not only this, but also it brings a mobile first approach to Web3 and DeFi, which is something that is very important because it allows you to seamlessly use and connect different decentralized applications on desktop for the big screen experience while still managing your crypto assets. So this is something that is very, very important. You can see how they have all these different demos right here where they talk about desktop versus mobile, how they're going to interact together with the Radix wallet, and how it is a seamless connection from one to the other. Next thing is going to be with Scrypto. Scrypto is very important because it's a radically better developer experience. This is ultimately what you could think of in the sense of how developers are going to be building projects on the blockchain. Scrypto is the asset-oriented programming language that the team at Radix built specifically for their blockchain. It's making it very simple and easy to use, and one of the biggest problems in the crypto space is that developer languages, let's say for like Cardano, are not that common and are a bit difficult to learn. It's very different. But with Scrypto and what Radix created with Scrypto, it is very simple, and their whole entire mission behind creating this language was ease of use and making it as easy as possible for developers to build on the blockchain. So they had early access rolled out in 2021, December of 2021, and there's over 12,000 developers already building on the blockchain. There's over 50 projects that are going to be launching when we see over 50 projects that are building on Radix that will be launching after we see this major upgrade for Babylon go live on September 27th. And all of this is just going to help the project grow long-term, attract more developers, more projects, and ultimately more money to the ecosystem. Moving forward, there's a few other things that we need to talk about as well with the Radix engine. The Radix engine is the world's first DeFi engine. Think of the Radix engine like when you're looking at a game, there's a lot of different game engines like Unity and Unreal, and ultimately this makes games significantly better in terms of gameplay, story, graphics, just all across the board. The problem is with the crypto space, we have not seen anything like this, especially in DeFi. So before DeFi engines, you could see that majority of developers have spent time on validations, error handling, testing, audits, but with the Radix engine, developers can spend more time on functionality and what their users want, and less time on testing, auditing, working out bugs, handling any errors. The Radix engine streamlines this process, so not only do they have a simple and easy to use language, and also they are going to have this Radix engine. So those two things combined make it more attractive for developers. And like I said, more developers building quality projects on a blockchain means more money is going to come to a blockchain. Last thing I want to talk about is Cerberus. So Cerberus is a consensus algorithm that they also developed. They say born from research began in 2013. Cerberus is the only consensus algorithm with a proven design to deliver parallel execution while maintaining atomic composability. You can see as of April 2023, there's been zero downtime. Over 2 million plus transactions take place. And this is something that is crucial because it will provide unlimited linear scalability long term. And that's a problem that we have seen with other blockchains. Let's say like Ethereum. Gas fees get to be extremely high. It's not scalable when you're talking on huge numbers. But with Radix, it solves this issue with their consensus algorithm called Cerberus. So that is one of the main reasons why I have invested in this project and why I did buy tokens on KuCoin. I own my tokens on KuCoin for this project. That is typically where I like to buy a lot of my different altcoins. So it is available there. And like I said, the symbol is XRD. Last two things I want to go over is, like I said, they do have that major upgrade for Babylon rolling out on September 27th, 2023. What you could do in the meantime is I would recommend looking over the project, doing a bunch of research, looking into the number of different projects that will be launching on the blockchain, because this is a project that already has over 29,000 wallets. 200,000 followers on Twitter, 20,000 followers and members in their Telegram, 20,000 in their Discord. And this is a project that has gained a lot of attention and a lot of eyeballs, which is how it's been able to be a top 250 crypto by market cap. But I think this next few months is going to bring us from a top 250 market cap crypto to a top 100 or top 50 crypto, and that is why I did invest in the project. So I know a lot of you guys like when I talk about smaller market cap cryptos. This isn't small by any means, but it does have significant potential of doing like 10x in the next few months and over the next few years, which is really solid when you're looking at crypto, especially for a project that is well established, has a very strong team, that has unique features to it. It's something that you really want to see.